WebinarClonesAI says you can have a live, converting webinar funnel running in 5 minutes, without recording anything or writing anything, or knowing anything about tech. That's a big claim. Here's what's actually true. The email follow-up is built in, and there are no monthly platform fees. That's the core of what this is. Inside the front end at $37, you get 5 complete webinar funnels built by established marketers. They're already recorded and designed to convert. You swap in your link and the funnel runs 24/7. There's built-in email and SMS follow-up that fires automatically, a live chat simulation, runs simulated live events that feel completely real, deploy dynamic calls to action at the perfect moment, get built-in AI traffic optimization built in for ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. Everything that would normally take you months to build is already there. This makes the most sense if you've been wanting to use webinars to make affiliate commissions but kept putting it off because building one felt too complicated, expensive. If you're a complete beginner with no list, no audience, and no tech skills, the barrier to entry here is. However, and this matters, if you're expecting to just log in and have money,
here without sending any traffic, that's not how this works. The funnel is built. Getting people into it is still on you. This is not for someone who won't put in the work to drive traffic. There are 3 upsells. The first is $97 and gives you Jono's full internal business system: ads, templates, scripts, email sequences. If you're serious about scaling, that one has real value. The second is about $50 and teaches you to earn recurring referral income through an AI search optimization service. Worth a look if recurring income appeals to you. The third is a monthly subscription to the full BrightStage AI platform at just under $40 a month, which lets you create unlimited custom webinars. Skip that one unless you're planning to use this as an agency or want to go well beyond the 5 pre-built funnels. Here's my honest take. The product does what it says. The webinars are built, the funnel works, and for $37 the barrier to entry is low enough that it's worth testing. The one real limitation is that you're running someone else's webinar with your link swapped in. You don't control the content, and you're sharing the same funnels with everyone else who buys. If you go in understanding that, and you're willing to put some effort into traffic, it's a solid starting point. The link to grab it is in the description below. If you buy through my link, you get my full bonus bundle, $43,000 worth of tools and training that I've put together specifically to complement this. That bonus is only available through my link, not anywhere else. Go check it out, see if it fits what you're trying to do, and if it does, grab it through the link below, and I'll get your bonuses sent straight over.